Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Siemens breaker model so the replacement fits. This avoids missizing. Once identified, shut off the main breaker to kill panel power and verify dead conductors with a non-contact tester at each terminal. Make sure to wear electrical gloves and safety glasses and stand on a dry, insulated mat to isolate yourself. You should feel confident the panel is de-energized before touching bus bars or removing the knockout. That step prevents shock and arc hazards. With the panel cover off, hold it steady and remove the mounting screws so it doesn't shift. Next, loosen the breaker terminal screw enough to pull the load wire straight out. Do not bend or twist the conductor. Then, pry the breaker outward slightly to disengage the bus clip, rotate the breaker away from the bus, and unhook its foot from the rail. Pull it free without snagging adjacent breakers. These motions protect the bus and adjacent breakers from damage and keep connections intact. Position the new Siemens breaker so the foot hooks on the rail, then rotate it toward the bus until the clip seats and you hear a positive snap. That ensures a solid electrical connection. Insert the load conductor straight into the terminal and tighten the screw to the manufacturer torque specification to prevent heating. Once secured, replace the panel cover, restore main power, and test the circuit under a controlled load. If the breaker trips immediately, first verify correct breaker type and wiring, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.